this really loud sound up in the sky. But I don't see no airplane, nothing. I don't see no jets. I don't know what it is. It sounds like a sonic boom of some kind. It's going right through the sky. If this is HAARP or what it is, this really makes me suspicious that it might be HAARP because I can't see it. It's not thunder. It's not an airplane. And I've heard it go several times through the sky. You can see the same chemtrail type looks, but there's no airplane in sight anywhere. There's no jet, no chemtrail jet, nothing. This could very well be HAARP. It's just a big rushing sound. It's like a thundering, loud rushing sound. It's not thunder. And it's up in those clouds. And those clouds, they look more like cotton. They look like real clouds. You can see the chemicalness of it. And now they seem to be pulling together with each other. The sound that I'm hearing. It's really strange. Even the birds, they seem to be all disturbed by it because they knew it was some kind of a unusual, eerie sound. Twice I heard this loud boom. Is it coming back again? We'll see. This is different than a chemtrail. This is HAARP. Sounds like a loud sonic boom coming from the sky. There's a loud sonic boom coming from the sky. Definitely did sound like HAARP. The crows themselves, they know too that it's something unusual. But now it's subsisted, it's gone. Now the clouds are starting to form all around us.